Hi friends, welcome back once again to my channel Any Trader Can Fly. This is Prince here. So friends, today being Monday, there was a little bit of difficulty in getting premium DK. There was hardly any DK. In fact, market initially started going up, but then again it came sideways. My bias also, I was positive. I was expecting the market to go more up, but it did not go. It came back and was moving sideways. And there was no theta decay when the market was moving sideways, and hardly good gain for today. So I had to make up a small loss, 60 change, something like that, and which is part and parcel of Fridays and Mondays. Okay, we were lucky on Friday that the day first day when I uploaded the video, you would have seen there was good direction. That is why we got good profit. But today there was no direction; it was just sideways, and there was no theta decay at all. So without wasting time, let's look into today's trade and try to see how we did the adjustments. Okay, so let us look into the trades, and today it was like a dream open. Bank Nifty opened with a gap up, and also it was trying to continuously go up. You can see there was continuously 4 to 5 candles, which had initial bit of issues with the IV as well, but it's okay. As long as it is positive, it is good for us. So let us look into the open interest and what it has to say for us, and we can see there's a huge put rating happening, so we can expect the market to continue to go up. That is what basically it's trying to tell us. And let us look into the biggest open interest. So I can find a big tower at 38,000. So 38,000 is going to be a very good support. So presently market is at 38,350, the Bank Nifty. So I'll mark a support line at 38,000. So below this I can expect the market to go up. Now looking into the resistance part, you can see almost all the strikes are of the same level. So there is no much indication, but still I find 38,500 to be greater than 38,300. So I'll just mark a point at 38,500, and this is going to be the range for today in which I'll be operating. Okay friends, so this is just an initial view, the initial breakout which we can expect. So today being Monday also, I did not jump into my trade. I just had to wait because there is not going to be much decay as well, and also want to see how the market is going to perform. So this is the positions presently I'm having. I've taken almost a neutral position because it's in the range as of now, and let us see, like in case if there is going to be any kind of breakout happening, then accordingly I can change my direction. So this is presently my situation. It's almost I'm neutral, and today being Monday, I've taken little far OTMs as well because there is not going to be any decay. Okay, so now you can see the breakout happening. You can see this is where I had marked my line. So I'm completely bullish as of now. Only 37,600 PE, and you can see I'm in loss of presently 40,000 because of the sudden movement. And you can see the price is continuing to go up. So the indicators which I kept as of now is so many were worried about the asking about the indicators. I just kept 3 indicators. You can see it's super trend, moving averages, and RSI. Okay, so super trend kept is 10,3. So in case if the market reverses and crosses the super trend indicator, I will make my position neutral once again, or if it crosses moving average also, I'll try to keep adding positions one by one. And RSI is also used to track whether market is bullish or bearish or whether it is neutral. That is why I keep tracking RSI as well. Okay, so presently I'm completely bullish, and we can see that market is going in upward direction. If it continues until it reverses at this point, I'll be naked with my put options. Okay, so you can see market has continued to go up, and from my losses of 40,000 I have come down to a profit of 5 to 6,000 rupees. And if market continues from here, I will be making very good profit for today. So let me just again look. Yeah, the profit is continuously increasing. Yes, you can see my Bank Nifty is going up, and the profit is also increasing step by step. The best part was we recovered from the loss and we came back to profit. So because there was a sudden movement. Okay. Now friends, this is the unexpected which happens always. You can see though Bank Nifty gave us a breakout, now it has started to come back, and this is very dangerous for me because I was completely naked. I was trading the bullish view completely, but now it has reversed and has also crossed the super trend as well. Okay, So I had to exit my put options also, and I added call options, and now you can see I'm in a huge loss of around 1,34,000 rupees. It's within my limit of 2%, so I'm still continuing the trade because I just have to make sure, I have to ensure that if at all the market continues, I will be able to recover the money. Okay, so now you can see, friends, time is around 12:20, 12:15, and you can see market is has remained sideways. If it was Wednesday or Thursday, by this time we should have made very good profits. But then today being Monday, there's hardly any decay happening, and you can see we're still in a loss of 1,04,000 rupees. And I'm trying to keep a small ratio because yeah, I'll just show you. Yeah, I was just trying to keep a small. Market was trying to come down. That's why you can see the call is on the higher side than the put. But then again, market keeps moving up and down, so we have to do our adjustments accordingly. You can see slightly the losses have come down, and yeah, so this is end of the day, friends. You can see market has almost remained sideways. There was nothing much adjustment to be done. I was wholly dependent on the theta decay itself, thinking that it will bring back some profit for us. But then today market, although was silent, it was sideways a bit, but there was no theta decay at all. Okay, so this is the trade for today. End of the day, I had to close my positions at 3 o'clock, and I'm in a slight loss of 61,000 rupees. That is okay. Part and parcel, being Monday. This is expected even on Fridays and Mondays as well. And you can see, being sideways also, being a non-rational trader, I could not make anything much today. And this is the trade for today, friends. Hope you like the adjustments and the trade. If at all you have any doubts, any confusion, you can always WhatsApp on my number. My number is 8095 876525. Thank you and have a nice day.